Right after the hurricane, seeing the need and seeing how persons, families, and children are being displaced, we as a group, Great Short-Term Missions, got together and decided how we're going to be involved in this mission at home. And the first concern was the children. How can we best minister to the children? This is an activity that we're used to doing in the different places around the world in which we've ministered, in which we visited. We also did it in the hurricane, the aftermath of the hurricane in Niagara, and also the one that occurred in Grand Bahama. So we had a team that worked at the Odyssey Airport to receive them, and it was there that we saw and met children who just went through the disaster. We can see the pain of displacement and uncertainty. Then we were also informed of the shelters that were being developed as a result of that. We visited the shelter, we met with the children, and we decided that we would develop a concept called the Love Tent. And the Love Tent was a place that's safe and fun, and a place to be distracted from the hurricane, but also a place where they can talk, a safe place to talk about the hurricane, to cry about the hurricane, to act out because of the hurricane. So we got on board, got a tent, got our partners, got tables and chairs, and Matt's got a team of volunteers together. And we, first of all, met 3 times a day, a session in the morning, session in the afternoon, session in the evening, and they included activities, they included sports, they included movies, singing, drama, dance. And we had a strong partner, the Children's Evangelism Fellowship, that came right on board. In fact, they were involved at the stadium before they came on board with us at the Love Tent. And we began in the week of September 10th, and it's still going on, and we look at perhaps if there is still a need. The commitment is until the end of April, and then do another evaluation. So that's how the Love Tent started. It started with simply that, love. And after that, putting a plan of action in place. And so when we would walk into the stadium, into the gym, Love Tent. Are we having the Love Tent? We're having the Love Tent just on Saturday, my sister and I visited the children that were being moved to the Bahamas Academy. That's the first thing, Love Tent. Are we having the Love Tent here? So it's become a place for them in their hearts, and there's an expectation because it's kind of like the family away from their family, and it's provided some sort of stability for them because they know they can look forward to it happening. So we thank God that we had this opportunity to minister to these children in our home.